Oh boy, a Saturday video. Is this a test run? Sorry, no test run today. Because when I went to move, Marduk, her right ankle fell off. But I fixed the problem. I've got 2 bolts going through the stud to the bottom. You can see they're fastened on nice and tight. And the reason why this is so significant is originally I had it like the left ankle right over here, in that the machine screws were threaded pretty much onto the wood like a normal screw. The hole they went into was slightly smaller than the 1/4 inch of the screw, so the thread is holding it on, but over time it seems to work loose and fall off, which is not good. So what I'm going to be doing is just copying her right ankle over to her left one, and hopefully that should do the trick. I've been testing the arms, they're working okay, but for some reason her left arm is further forward than her right arm. I don't know how that happened, but what do you expect? She's a prototype. But hopefully test run filmed tomorrow and all sorts of fun stuff coming our way. So if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.